A very good morning to all of you. So, students, today we are going to read the next chapter of our book Honeysuckle, and that is a different kind of school, chapter number 5. But before you read the chapter, just say this: do you know these words? If you don't, find out their meanings: bandage, crutch, cripple, honor, misfortune, and system. I'm sure that you must be knowing these words, but anyhow, if you don't know these words, we are going to read these words in our chapter, right? Look at the pictures in this unit and guess in what way this school may be different from other schools. So, the name of the chapter is A Different Kind of School. As the name suggests, it is actually a different kind of school. And in what ways is it different? How is it different? What teaching techniques are they adopting? We'll get to know about all those things when we will read the chapter. So, let's start. See this first picture and keep this picture into your mind. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. Now, see, the chapter has started with the word I. So, who is I here? I is author here, right? So, the story in this chapter has been written by the author, and he has given his own reference in the story, and the story is from the viewpoint of the author himself. So he has started the chapter. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. So it is a school of Miss Beam where Miss Beam is the principal of the school, and the author had heard a great deal about it. But not till last week did the chance come to visit it. But ऐसा पहले नहीं हुआ कि लास्ट वीक से पहले मुझे इसे विजिट करने का चांस मिला हो. Means I visited this school only last week. When I arrived means reached, पहुंचा. जब मैं वहां पहुंचा, there was no one in sight. In sight means to be seen, means I could not see anyone but a girl of about 12, except a girl who was of 12 years. Her eyes were covered with a bandage. So, did you remember? You just have read this word on the top of the chapter. So, what is the meaning of bandage? Bandage means a strip of cloth. Her eyes were covered with a bandage. मतलब कि किसी कपड़े की पट्टी से उसकी आंखें बंधी हुई थीं. And she was being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy. So, here, led is the third form of lead. Lead, led, and that girl was being led by a little boy. उसको एक छोटा सा बच्चा लीड करके लेके जा रहा था, उसके आगे आगे चल रहा था, उसको सब कुछ बता रहा था. Between the flower beds means फूलों की क्यारियां. She stopped, and it looked like she asked him who had come. She just stopped there and asked that little boy who had come there. He seemed to be describing me to her, right? So, ऐसे लगा as if that boy who was leading that girl, he was describing about me to that girl. Describing means setting forth in words, किसी के बारे में कुछ बताना. तो ऐसे लगा कि जैसे वो लड़का मेरे बारे में उसको बताने लग गया. Then they passed on, means then they just move on to their path. Miss Beam was all that I had expected. Expected means hoped. वो बिल्कुल ऐसी थी जैसी मैंने आशा किया था. Middle aged, full of authority. Authority means power. Yet kindly and understanding because she was the principal of the school. So obviously she was full of power. But along with that, she was very kind and she was very understanding also. Her hair was beginning to turn grey. बेटा जब हम सफ़ेद बालों की बात करते हैं then we say my hair have turned grey, right? तो उसको हम ग्रे में बोलते हैं, वाइट नहीं बोलते. तो उसके बाल जो थे वो सफ़ेद होना शुरू हो गए थे. And she had the kind of plump figure. Plump means fleshy, stout, थोड़ी सी fat, pleasantly fat, that is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. Likely means possibly. That was possibly soothing. Comforting means soothing to a homesick child. A homesick child is a child who misses his home very much, right? When the person just wants to go back to his house. So, a child who is feeling very homesick, that lady was like a soothing appeal to that person, ठीक है, to that child. I asked her some questions about her teaching methods, which I had heard were simple. मैंने फिर उसको कुछ questions पूछे जो कि मैंने पहले सुन रखा था कि those teaching methods were very simple. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things, right? No more than is needed means required. कुछ ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए था उनको ये चीजें सिखाने के लिए. क्या सिखाने के लिए? सिंपल स्पेलिंग, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing. So they were just learning their adding, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and writing, and very simple spellings. The rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks. और जो बाकी कुछ सिखाया जाता था वो कैसे सिखाया जाता था? By reading to them and with interesting talks. उनके साथ अच्छी अच्छी बातें की जाती थी. During which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. Quiet, beta, see, there is difference between quiet and quiet. Pronunciation is also different, spellings are also different. QUIET, quiet means शांत, जहां उनको अपने हाथों को भी शांत रखना पड़ता था. And quite, QUITE, quite means enough, he was quite tired. वो काफी, जिसको हम काफी कहते हैं हिंदी में. There are practically no other lessons. The real aim of the school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness. So, what was the actual objective of this school? It was to teach some serious concern to the students rather than teaching only thoughts. एक विचार सिखाना किसी को कि हमें ऐसे होना चाहिए, किसी का विचार किसी के सामने रखना, उससे ज्यादा बढ़कर इनका ऑब्जेक्टिव था उनको उसके लिए सीरियसली कंसर्न्ड करना. राइट? काइंडनेस टू अदर्स and being responsible citizens. Responsible means aware of their duties, who are aware of their duties. So, the main objective of the school was to teach kindness to others and kindness towards others. Be kind to the some strata of the society who are lacking in some or the other way, and to be a responsible citizen. Look out of the window a minute, will you? खिड़की से बाहर देखो, क्या तुम देखोगे? I went to the window which overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. Overlooked means which could be looked from above. Which could be looked from above. तो जब मैं विंडो के पास गया तो ऊपर से देखने में एक लार्ज गार्डन और एक प्लेग्राउंड था बैक पे. What do you see? Miss Beam asked. राइट? तो मिस बीम ने नरेटर से क्वेश्चन पूछा, ऑथर से क्वेश्चन पूछा. I see some very beautiful grounds, I said, and a lot of jolly children. Jolly means happy. And it pains me, though means chahe. It hurts me, though, to see that they are not all so healthy and active looking. Although they are happy, but it hurts me a lot to see that they are not healthy and they are not active. When I came in, I saw one poor little girl being led about. जैसे मैं स्कूल में पहुंचा तो मैंने देखा एक छोटी सी लड़की, उसको मतलब किसी कोई उसको लेके जा रहा था, उसको रास्ता दिखाया जा रहा था. शी हैज सम ट्रबल विद हर आईज, उसकी आंखों में कुछ प्रॉब्लम लग रही थी. नाउ आई कैन सी टू मोर विद द सेम डिफिकल्टी, एंड देयर इज अ गर्ल with a crutch watching the others at play. Now, crutch is another word that you read on the top of the chapter. So, the crutch means a support for lame. Lame means जो चल नहीं सकते, उनके लिए जो बैसाखी बनी होती है, the wooden stick with the help of which the people walk, that is known as crutch. Now I'm seeing a girl with a crutch watching the others at plays, जो दूसरों को खेलते हुए देख रही है. She seems to be a hopeless cripple. Hopeless means unfortunate. Cripple means lame. Cripple word भी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा. एंड होपलेस, अनफॉर्चुनेट, ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये कोई लेम है जो कि बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said. She is not really lame. वो सच में lame नहीं है. She is not actually lame. This is only her lame day. ये सिर्फ उसका lame day है. The others are not blind either. वो भी अंधे नहीं हैं. It is only their blind day. I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. मैं बहुत सरप्राइज दिखा होऊंगा उसको. I must have looked very amazed to Miss Beam. For means because she laughed again, क्योंकि वो दोबारा हंसी. This is a very important part of our system. This is the important part of our system. So here is the difference. Otherwise, all the other things, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, spelling, writing, they do that in that school with very comfortable, in a very play way method where there is no burden on the students. But the main objective of the school is to teach thoughtfulness, and how you can teach that thoughtfulness by practical teaching. So this is a practical learning for the students, where they are playing a lame day, a blind day, a deaf day, a dumb day, etc. So this is a very important part of our system. System means method. You also read this word on the top of the chapter. To make our children appreciate means evaluate and understand misfortune means bad luck. अब हमें अपने बच्चों को बैड लक समझाने के लिए और उस चीज को अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए वी मेक देम शेयर इन मिसफॉर्चून टू. हम उनको भी वो बैड लक शेयर करवाते हैं. We put these students into the same situation. If someone is lame, only then he can understand the other lame person's problem. If someone is blind, only then he can understand other blind person's problems. So that is why they made them share in misfortune too, so that they just can put the students into practicality, so that they can understand other person's misfortune. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged absolutely. Absolutely means totally. पूरी तरह से उनकी आंखों को बांध दिया जाता है. Eyes are bandaged means they are blindfolded. उनकी आंखों पे कपड़ा बांध दिया जाता है. And they are on their honor. On their honor means they promise, right? So they have promised not to peep. Peep means to look secretly. किसी को चोरी चोरी देखना. सो वो अपना प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि हम कुछ भी चोरी नहीं देखेंगे. द बैंडेज इज पुट ऑन ओवरनाइट सो दे वेक ब्लाइंड. ओवरनाइट मीन्स एक रात पहले ही उनकी आंखों पे पट्टी बांध दी जाती है, so that the next morning they should wake blind. This means that they need help with everything. Other children are also given the duty of helping them and leading them about. और सिर्फ इन बच्चों को ही डे नहीं दिए जाते, बल्कि और बच्चों को भी उनके हेल्प करने के लिए ड्यूटीज दी जाती हैं. दे ऑल लर्न सो मच दिस वे, बोथ द ब्लाइंड एंड द हेल्पर्स. तो ये हेल्पर्स के लिए भी एक अच्छा लेसन है. दिस इज अ गुड लेसन फॉर द हेल्पर्स. ओनली देन they learn how to help a misfortune person, how to help a person who is in some problem, right? So there is no misery about it. Misery means unpleasantness, difficulty. Miss Beam continued. Everyone is very kind. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है. There is no difficulty at all. Everyone is very kind and it is really something of a game. And they play it like a game. Before the day is over, though, even the most thoughtless child realizes what misfortune is. So, दिन खत्म होने से पहले एक सबसे थॉटलेस बच्चा, सबसे केयरलेस बच्चा, ही ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि वॉट इज मिसफॉर्चून, की बैड लक होता क्या है. when they feel that bad luck practically, when they feel that misfortune themselves, only then they get to know about it. When everything is put into practically, we just get to know about that thing only then. Otherwise it is very easy to show sympathy towards anyone, right? The blind day is, of course, really the worst. Worst means extremely bad, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most difficult. पर कुछ बच्चे मुझे कहते हैं कि डम डे सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल है. वी कैनॉट बैंडेज द चिल्ड्रंस माउथ, सो दे रियली हैव टू एक्सरसाइज देयर विल पावर. एक्सरसाइज मीन्स मेक यूज ऑफ. देयर विल पावर मीन्स इच्छा शक्ति, जो उनकी इच्छा शक्ति होती है टू कंट्रोल देयर टंग. क्योंकि बातें करना इज आवर हॉबी. Everyone wants to talk, but they have to control their tongue, they have to control their speech. So for that they had to exercise their willpower. Come into the garden and see for yourself how the children feel about it. आओ तुम्हें गार्डन में ले चलूं, कुछ बच्चों से मिलो और तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा कि how they feel about it. Miss Beam led me to one of the bandaged girls. वो मुझे एक bandaged girl के पास ले गई. Here is a gentleman come to talk to you, said Miss Beam and left us. Don't you ever peep? मैंने उससे पूछा, क्या तुम कभी देखती नहीं हो? Oh no, she exclaimed. Exclaimed means spoke in wonder. That would be cheating. But I had no idea it was so awful to be blind. But मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था कि it is so horrible to be blind. You can't see a thing, you feel you are going to be hit by something every moment. हर टाइम तुम्हें यही डर लगा रहता है कि you are just going to be struck by something. It's such a relief just to sit down, and when we sit down, it is just a great comfort for us. Are your helpers kind to you? Fairly. Fairly means not much, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. क्योंकि अब उसकी ब्लाइंड होने की टर्न हो चुकी है, सो उसको अच्छे से एहसास है कि ब्लाइंड पर्सन की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. सो शी कैन बी अ गुड हेल्पर इन द फ्यूचर. दैट इज वाई शी इज सेइंग सो. those that have been blind already are the best helpers. जो पहले ही, before, who had played the blind day, they are the best helpers. It's perfectly ghastly not to see. Ghastly means terrible. बहुत ही बुरा है कि आप देख नहीं सकते. I wish you would try. Shall I lead you anywhere? I asked. Oh, yes, she said, let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad when today is over. मैं बड़ी खुश होंगी जब आज का दिन बीत जाएगा. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun. ये तो एक गेम की तरह है कि मेरी एक लेग बंधी हुई है and I'm just springing about with the help of the crutch. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome. And if your arm is tied up, then it can be a little more troublesome because you can't eat without help. You cannot do anything without the help of your arm. I don't think I'll mind being deaf for a day. मुझे बिल्कुल परेशानी नहीं होगी अगर मैं एक दिन के लिए डेफ हो जाऊं. डेफ इज द पर्सन हु कैन नॉट लिसन, at least not much. But being blind is so frightening. Frightening means dreadful, डरावना. My head aches all the time just from worrying that I'll get hurt. मेरा सर हमेशा ये सोच के दुखता रहता है कि अभी मुझे चोट लग जाएगी. Where are we now? In the playground, I said, we are walking towards the house. Miss Beam is walking up and down the garden with the tall girl. Up and down का मतलब बेटा यहाँ है चहलकदमी करना. ऊपर नीचे आना नहीं, चहलकदमी करना कि टहलना बागीचे में. So with the tall girl, Miss Beam is just walking up and down. What is the girl wearing? My little friend asked. A blue cotton skirt and a pink blouse. I think it's Millie. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये मिली ही होगी. She said, what color is her hair? Very light. Yes, that's Millie. She's the head girl. There's an old man tying up roses. और एक बूढ़ा आदमी roses को बांध रहा है. Yes, that's Peter. He's the gardener. He is hundreds of years old. मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे वो 100 सालों का बूढ़ा हो. And here comes a girl with curly red hair. She's on crutches. That's Anita, she said. And so we walked on. और ऐसे ही हम चलते गए. Gradually means slowly. I discovered means found out. I just found out that I was 10 times more thoughtful than I ever thought I could be. जितना मैंने सोचा था कि I could be thoughtful towards the society, towards the people, at the end of the day I just found out that I was 10 times more thoughtful. I also realized that if I had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to me. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत interesting बात हो जाएगी. When I finally had to leave, I told Miss Beam that I was very sorry to go. Sorry का मतलब बेटा यहाँ माफी मांगना नहीं है. Sorry का मतलब है कि उसको दुख हो रहा है वहां से जाने के लिए. मैंने मिस बीम को बताया कि मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा है कि मैं यहाँ से ना जाऊं. She replied. Then there is something in my system after all. अगर तुम्हें जाने के लिए दुख हो रहा है तो after all मेरे स्कूल के सिस्टम में, मेरे स्कूल के मेथड में कुछ तो है कि कोई यहाँ से किसी का यहाँ से जाने को मन नहीं करता. So, beta ji, I hope this chapter is very much clear to you, very easy to understand. And the moral of the chapter is that we should be kind to the uh, people who have misfortune, who have bad luck, and we should be thoughtful towards our society. Along with being kind, we should be thoughtful also, and we can just realize these things when we practically do these things, right? So I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you so much.